What happened?
It's my four-wheel drive linkage that popped out.
Oops. So, I centered on the front differential and the tie rod, so it's more washed out than what I thought. Thought more momentum might get me up, but then I realized when I saw the front, my whole axle tube is in the mud, like it's completely in the mud. So I picked the wrong line because I thought it'd make a cooler video. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, pull forward some. Okay, hold it right there.
What happened?
It's my four-wheel drive linkage that popped out. So I'm going to put it back. So on the body, there's a little bracket and there's a pin that runs in there with a spring. So when you pull up on the lever, it rotates, and that's what moves your transfer case into what four low, four high, two-wheel drive or neutral, and it popped out. It happens sometimes, so I'm gonna have to pop it back in. It's dead in the water. That's why whenever I was coming up, I stopped moving and I put it in four and nothing happened. It popped out. Hopefully I have what I need to put it back in. I have to, right? There's not like this, it has to be done. If we want to get home, it kind of, it's a must. And of course I only have one screwdriver and it's the smallest one. All right, let's give that a go. It's really loose, but it's in there. So it probably just flexed a little bit and just popped right out. It's not the first time it's happened to me, so I knew what it was. I had a 98 Wrangler that happened too. I don't know, it's just a bad design or what, but maybe the bushings or whatever. Yeah, but let's see if we can get it started up and get it back into the drive. Like, I always get people ask me whenever I go off-roading, like, why do you bring so many tools with you? You bring like a whole garage with you. I don't understand what's the point of that. Because you don't know what stupid stuff you're gonna run into. I mean, hell, one time we went camping in Big Bend and we forgot the key to the camper, but it was a pop-up camper, so the door was locked. So fortunately I had my tools, so I took the door off. I just took everything apart and we were able to get into the camper. It's just one of those things, if you're gonna go off-roading, especially in an older vehicle, you kind of have to be prepared for failure. You hope not to fail, but if you do, you just want to make sure you have what you need to get you back home. And we just replaced these today, so that's good. I didn't have to hit my head on that every single time I was in the Jeep. All right, let's see if this gets us going.